Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.4 trillion. We're up 3.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 45.6%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we're finally seeing some sort of relief across the board in the entire market. And that is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin has seen a 4.8 move towards the upside, 4.8%, and we're currently sitting at $34,500 for the Bitcoin price. If you guys don't know, if you guys are a regular viewer on my channel, you know that the $33,200 mark is a very crucial level for Bitcoin, and it's basically a last life resort for Bitcoin in a sense, and we have finally went above it, and so far so good. Obviously, weekends do tend to be the most manipulation across the cryptocurrency markets because the CME futures are closed and weekend is coming to an end, so that is a great way to start the week with this Bitcoin move towards the upside. But we still need to be monitoring Bitcoin's price very carefully because we're not out of the woods just yet, so nothing to get super excited about right now. But today, guys, I want to look further into Shiba Inu. So, I did get a lot of feedback. As I have mentioned on my channel, I've been being asked over the last 2 months to cover Shiba Inu from a lot of viewers. And, I made a video just a day ago, and a lot of positive feedback has been coming. So, I will start making updates regarding Shiba Inu. But if you are a regular viewer on my channel and you do not like me covering Shiba Inu, for instance, then I do have another scenario as well that we can solve this problem, and that is by creating a channel that mainly focuses on Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and stuff like that. And if you guys don't want to see that on the channel, I could shift that content and bring that content to the people that actually want to see it. So in order to solve this problem, I have made a backup channel, and that's called CryptoFi. I will leave the link in the description box below. If you want Shiba Inu updates, Dogecoin updates, go subscribe, and we will move the content onto that channel. With further notice, I will give that to you guys. But now let's get back into the video. If we are looking at Shiba Inu's price right now, we are currently trading at 0.0000789 cents. We're up 7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're also up 2.2% in Bitcoin comparative and 1.3% in Ethereum comparative in just the last 24 hours. Shiba's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 26th spot. Market cap right now is $3.9 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $374.7 million. Right off the bat, guys, one thing I want to point out, I always like, looking at all the factors. And right now, one thing that is not so impressive for a project this hyped is the trading volume. So the buying pressure is very low. We're sitting at only $375 million 24-hour trading volume for Shiba. It should be at least above $1 billion in my opinion, considering how much hype there really is around Shiba right now. Literally the whole world is talking about this coin. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, Obviously, it has seen a massive rally over just the last year alone. People became millionaires overnight. But if we're looking in the last 14 days, we are in the green zone. We're up 14.8%, so not so bad. But let's deep dive into the charts and see what's exactly going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So if we are bringing the Shiba's charts up right now for you guys, one thing I want to point out before we jump into the price analysis is that Shiba is one of the coins right now that is not being affected by the spike of the BTC dominance. It is one of the handful coins out there that is outperforming Bitcoin's momentum along with the entire altcoin market. But again, this should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us, because like I mentioned earlier in this video, that Shiba is literally being talked about around the world. Everyone's talking about it, and it's extremely hyped. So that should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us. So that is a one advantage, that Shiba is not being affected by that BTC dominance spike towards the upside. We are seeing Shiba move towards the upside very fast, as long as Bitcoin does go towards the upside as well. So that is a bullish indicator in my opinion right now. But if we are looking at the charts right now, guys, you guys can see we are trying to break above this level of resistance at the 0.000081 cents mark, and this is playing as a level of resistance for us. Let's go on to the daily time frame so we can get a better picture as to what exactly is going on with Shiba Inu. So as you guys can see, we have tried to break above this quite a few times, as you guys can see, but we have been unable to go above towards the upside. And right now, maybe after I upload this video, we might have broken past this level of resistance. But one thing again I want to point out for you guys is that the buying pressure is very low right now. So this does not surprise me that we are having tough times going above this level and actually staying above here, because the 24-hour trading volume for Shib is very low. So one thing we would like as Shib holders or analysts that are looking at a Shiba, we do need more buying pressure to kick in for it to have some sort of move towards the upside. So let's get that out of the way. And so far it is trying to break above this. Next target, if it breaks above this, would be this level of resistance at this 0.00000104 cents mark. And as you guys can see, once again we have tried to go towards this zone quite a few times, but it has failed to stay above here. Obviously, we did see the Bitcoin move towards the downside occur. That is a major factor that we need to keep in mind. It doesn't matter how bullish or how hyped the project is, Bitcoin at the end of the day is the king of the market. So if Bitcoin does have a move towards the downside, and if it is quite significant, then everything is going to go towards the downside, and does not matter if it's Shib or anything. That's just how the markets roll. So we need to keep that in mind when we are looking at the charts for Shib. So right now, as of now, what I would like to tell you guys is that my personal target for Shib is to break above this level and actually stay above here for us to be in the bullish territory, and we might see some newer price momentum that we have not seen for quite a while, since we did see this drop towards the downside. So this should be the next price target for everyone at the 0.00000105, roughly around there, for us to get excited, in my personal opinion. But right now, we do need more buying pressure to kick in for us to have a move like that. Looking at Bitcoin's charts right now briefly, because at the end of the day, I have mentioned how important it is to look at Bitcoin charts, because at the end of the day, this is the market leader. And as I have mentioned, this $33,300 mark, if you are a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. But if this is your first time coming on my channel, guys, this level of support for Bitcoin as this $33,300 mark is very crucial. It's basically playing as a last life support for Bitcoin. And so far, we have broken above it. We did see Bitcoin price at the start of the weekend. We did see us go all the way down to $29,800, but we have been bought back up. Obviously, the weekends do tend to be a lot of manipulation across the board because CME futures are closed. But right now, we are seeing Bitcoin, having a nice bounce back up, and we're above this $33,300 mark. Next, price target for Bitcoin is for us to get above this $36,300 level as soon as possible, because this is where I believe we're in the safe category, safe zone for the entire cryptocurrency markets along with Bitcoin. So we need to get to that price level for us to be on the safer end of the spectrum. Right now, we're still not out of the woods, so please keep that in mind. If we are looking at Etherscan right now, one thing I want to point out to you guys is that despite the fact that the trading volume is very, very low, we are still seeing a massive growth in Shiba's overall community. The community is growing at an exponential rate. If we are going on the Twitter account, you guys can see Twitter followers are 681.4 thousand followers on Twitter, guys. Absolutely mind-blowing, considering this project has not even been on the markets for over a year. And there's just so much hype coming into it. Obviously, we did see meme coins such as Dogecoin have a crazy rally towards the upside this year. And that is mainly due to the fact that Elon Musk was tweeting about it. And again, Elon Musk is a huge figure in the cryptocurrency space. I'm sorry, not in the cryptocurrency space. He's a huge figure around the world. A lot of people do tend to look up to him. So whatever he says or mentions, a lot of people will, jump onto it. And that's exactly what we saw happen with Dogecoin. And now a lot of people are starting to speculate that he might do this with Shib. Again, this is pure speculation, but we did see some sort of tweet come out regarding him mentioning Shiba Inu. He says Shiba Inu, my Shiba Inu will be named Flocky. And he was referring to both coins because Flocky, again, is another meme coin. And that really did spark a lot of rumors, a lot of speculation around the markets. A lot of people are saying he is going to do the same thing what he did with Dogecoin. And again, if that does happen, let's keep this in mind. I am not a big fan of how much power Elon Musk holds in the cryptocurrency space. So let me get that out of the way. I do not, believe that he should be holding that much power. That one of his tweets can cause so much price movement towards the upside or towards the downside in the cryptocurrency space. But this is the case right now. And if he does this, if he starts tweeting more about Shiba Inu and starts shilling it, then yes, we could definitely see more price momentum towards the upside, and we could see some crazy moves towards the upside. And obviously, we do have a major, I believe one of the biggest news that for Shiba that is coming out, aside from this whole Elon influencer thing. We are seeing that Coinbase will be listing Shiba Inu sometime in the near future. They initially announced it, but they were having some sort of technical difficulties regarding, putting it on their platform. But again, that opens another door for the Shiba community. And let me tell you as to why. So, a lot of new money is coming into the space. So majority of the retail investors are flowing into Shiba, and might be their first coin they're purchasing. Again, it is shilled like crazy. Everyone is talking about, the whole world is talking about it. And with Coinbase, the benefit that it brings to Shiba basically for the price momentum is that there's still a lot of retail investors that are on the sidelines that are waiting for either Robinhood or Coinbase to come out, because it's very easy. It's one-stop shop. You can buy, deposit your money, and boom, you can buy whatever coin you like. So that's why it is a huge announcement. So once this does happen, I believe we will definitely see price momentum towards the upside for Shiba, because we do have a lot of investors on the sidelines still to get into Shiba. And obviously, if Robinhood was to come true, that is still not confirmed. Coinbase is confirmed, but Robinhood is not confirmed at all. It's still pure speculation. But if that happens, guys, we will definitely see more bullish momentum occur. Basically, in a sense, it makes it easier for people to have access to Shiba rather than being on exchanges such as Uniswap, Binance, and other exchanges, because majority of the retail investors do not know how to purchase coins like this. So we need to keep that in mind when we are looking at the prices for Shiba. And one thing I also want to point out for you guys is that they have, you know, they have redesigned their website, and it looks way better in my personal opinion. Again, I'm just giving you guys my personal feedback, and so far this is very well organized and looks way better compared to before. So I would like to give them, a nice thumbs up for making their website stand out better now. So that is a good sign for sure. Obviously, if we do consider all the factors such as Shiba Swap coming in, Robinhood possibly, along with Coinbase, and big influencers start talking about Shiba, and there's a lot of big names around the world that are talking about Shiba and sharing with their public audience regarding what it's all about, and that is creating a lot of hype, guys. And if Elon Musk jumps on the ship, we could definitely see crazy price potential for Shiba. But again, please keep this in mind. This is pure speculation, and it's very risky. So please, guys, always invest where you can afford. Not stress this enough. If you're new to the markets, please, guys, only invest where you can afford to lose, especially if you're trying to play Shiba. It's a meme coin at the end of the day. So please keep that in mind. I want to share some tips with you guys, and I have been in the markets for quite a while. So please, one thing I want to say to you guys is that only invest where you can afford to lose. Never ever throw your life savings into crypto. I cannot stress this enough. But obviously, Shiba Swap is coming out. As the circulation gets burned, we might see more price momentum over time. But again, we need to keep in mind how fast this burn really will be, and how big this burn will be in order for the price to go towards the upside. Obviously, it's common sense. If the supply does get burned, meaning the circulation supply gets lower and lower, obviously the price increases towards the upside. So that is a plus point as well. But there's a lot of hype right now building up for Shiba. So we will see what happens in the immediate short term. A lot of analysts are calling that the month of July will be the start of the next leg up for the entire cryptocurrency markets. So we will see what happens then. But again, let me know in the comment section below if you guys are enjoying these Shiba Inu updates. I would love to know your thoughts down below. If you guys are enjoying it, please leave a comment section below. And I know a lot of my viewers on this channel do not want me to cover Shiba or Dogecoin, but there's a lot of viewers on my channel, once again, that do want to see it. So one way I can solve this problem is that I can shift my content, especially the Shiba content and the Doge content, to a different channel possibly. And I have made a backup channel for that. It's called Cryptofile. Link will be in the description box below. Go subscribe, and we might move our Shiba and Dogecoin content onto that channel rather than staying it on here, because again, I know you guys have been asking. I'm sorry I have been delaying it, but again, I do care about what a majority of my followers do say. So that is my way around this problem. So we will see what happens. But if you guys have not subscribed already, guys, do not forget to hit the like, comment, share, and subscribe, because this does help my channel tremendously, and it gets my videos to a wider audience. So your support would be greatly appreciated. And stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.